Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how we can use the Format Painter option inside of Microsoft Word. So let's get started. In short, the Format Painter is basically a tool inside of Microsoft Word which allows you to duplicate the formatting that you apply in one part of your document onto another part of your document. So let's see what we mean by that. In order to understand the concept of Format Painter, I've just pasted some text that I originally have on my document. This is basically a topic called as Basics of Programming, and there are some topics inside this topic 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. So let's just say that at this part inside of topic 3, I realized that there is a part which consists of certain code that is present instead of regular text. So I kind of want to change the formatting of this to be able to highlight it as a different part from the rest of the text that is available. So let me just apply some formatting to this part of the document. So I'll just highlight this, and I want to make sure that I apply a different formatting to it so that it starts looking a little different from whatever is there around it, so that people can notice that this is a code and not just plain text. So I'll go ahead and probably make it into italics. I'll probably reduce the size a little bit, and I'll also go ahead and change the color so that it is noticeable, and maybe I will also go and add some more features to it, like I'll change the style. I'll probably use some other style like Arial narrow, okay, and I'll also just make it a little bold. Okay, so now that I've applied some formatting to this, what I also realize is that I've applied a couple of options over here, which I probably necessarily don't remember what all options I've applied. So let's just say that in this section of the document, I have changed the code part of it into this formatting style. And when I scroll down, I notice that there is a similar part of code like example that is present in two other sections of the document. And I sort of want to apply a similar formatting so that people can understand that within each of these topics, this is the code like section of that topic. So what happens is I want to apply the same formatting that I've applied to this and bring that and apply it over here as well. So that is where we make use of the Format Painter, which allows you to duplicate the formatting that is applied in one part of your document onto another part of your document. All you have to do is select the part from where you want to duplicate your formatting and click on the Format Painter option within the clipboard section. Once you click on it, you will notice that your cursor starts to look a little different. Now I can take this and apply it wherever I want to apply it. So I want to apply it to this part of the document. So I go ahead and I select wherever I want to apply the formatting again. And now after applying it one time, you will notice that the cursor comes back to its normal state. But let's just say that I want to apply it to this part of the document as well. So there are two things about the Format Painter. First thing is that if you click on the Format Painter, just if you give it a single click, then you will be able to use the formatting only one time within the document. However, if I want to use the Format Painter more than once, that is if I want to take this formatting and apply it to this section of the document and also probably this section of the document, then I will need to give it a double click. So when we gave it a single click, I was able to apply it to only one part of the document. Now I'll just undo what I did and we will see how we can do it by using a double click. So I'm just going to select this and I'm going to double click on the Format Painter instead of a single click. Now you will notice that I will be able to apply it in more than one place inside the document. So I will apply it over here first, and after that you will notice that my cursor is still not gone and it's still available. So I can go ahead and apply it to this part of the document as well. So in this manner, you can use the Format Painter, either give it a single click and apply it to one section of the document. If there's more than one section of the document where you want to apply the formatting and duplicate the formatting, then give it a double click and go ahead and apply it wherever you want to apply it within the document multiple times. And you can visualize the Format Painter as a paintbrush that you dip into paint and apply it somewhere. Just that in this case, you dip the Format Painter into a text formatting and you apply that formatting to some other text within your document. So yeah, do give it a try and let me know if you have any questions and I'll try to help you out. Thank you so much for watching everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.